Hi, this is Wilner from NEEDFEEDBACK1. Today I'm going to cover all the points you guys see here in less than 15 minutes. So eventually the first thing that we're going to talk about, the color settings. And all those points that we're going to talk about. We'll cover everything here and just only one video. Actually, if I go to my account, eventually the main account, the admin account, if we go here under account settings and then we'll try to change the color here, this account, and then we'll hit save. What's going to happen once I start navigating this account, so it just goes back to the previous color. As a matter of fact, it works just great for sub account. It doesn't matter which level I give the sub account, whether the sub account turns out to be a full account, a full admin account, it works just great, except it doesn't work for this particular account. Please, guys, make sure you fix it for me. Okay? Great. Now let's jump over here to inbox. So what happened with the inbox is the following, actually. When we try to send a message to all the users in the system, to all the users, I'm talking about the Expedia users, all right? So we put the subject and then we'll write the message and then we hit send. It works great because eventually the users receive the email, the message, except from my end perspective, it give me a bug. I don't want to give you a test right now, but it give me a bug. So please make sure you guys fix the bug. This is the only thing it give me. Instead of giving me a confirmation number, a confirmation that the email or the message has been sent, it give me a PHP error. Please make sure you guys fix it. Now let's jump over the shipping tab. Maybe a few shipping tab might need to be removed from the client backend, but I don't think so. Let me go to an account I already have here. If I go here to, let's say I go here to XP packages here, I think here everything here is okay except the white background need to be moved a little bit here so that all the items will be the white background actually will be right here in the corner, so that this orange color will be on top of the white background. Okay, just you need to move it all the way to the corner to make sure it's proportional. Great. And now if I go here, suppose I want to pay this $3 that I have here for this package. I want to pay it with my XP wallet, and I hit pay now. It gives me a bug. The bug needs to be fixed. Maybe you might say, well, but you don't have money in the account. If I don't have money in the account, you should tell me, hey, you don't have enough funds to pay for this transaction, but I have money. Let me show you. If I go here to XP wallet and I go to the deposit, if you check here, you see that I recently added $10 in this account. But for some reason, the $10, it does not appear here. It should appear under my balance, current balance, and if I add another $10, it should show me I have $20. If I have another 10, it should show I have $30. But as a matter of fact, it's normal that it's showing here the very last transaction, it was $10. But here, it should be add up here every single time I add money on the account. And if I deduct $10 or $3 from the current balance, it should show that I have $27 left on the account. Okay, please guys, make sure that you fix it. Here, if I try to add money using the Western Union on the deposit wallet, so it gives me a little bug when I submit the form. So please guys, make sure you fix the bug for me then. Okay, make sure you fix the bug for me. And as well, if I try to deduct money, if if I try to deduct money from the admin for the same user, suppose the user has $10 in the account, like I mentioned, I added $10 earlier. If I go back here to, suppose that I go to, I'll go to XP wallet here, and I go to add deposit, the same user. I'm going to select the same user, which I add the $10 for him earlier. And the $10 have not been used yet. The $10 should appear here. The balance the customer has in the account should appear here at all time. And if I deduct, let's see, $5 from the $10, it should show the current balance here. And this is the same the customer should see from the other end. Under XP wallet, the customer should see the exact same amount. All right, customer should see the exact same amount in here. And one thing I would like to also cover, if I go here under wallet history, so it's showing the wrong title. It's showing the wrong title, and then it has some other information here that does not really related. I guess it was a test, but please guys, make sure you guys test that for me, because this is very important. And make sure you guys put here wallet history to make sure we have the proper title. Got it? Wonderful. So now let me jump over my documents. I already covered those actually two. I already covered eventually this. I covered this already, but it doesn't work from both ends. Make sure one is related to the other, both actually works. So now if I go here on the banner actually works, except the banner works. There is no problem with the banner. If I try to except the link for the banner does not work. I'm not going to give you guys a big example, but except if I go to the customer's end and I click here, suppose that I add a link to this picture. When I click on it, it should open a different tab. It should open the link in a different tab. Suppose it's a banner advertising, so the link does not work. Even though I add the link, this picture has no link, but I did an example for a different picture with a link. It didn't work. Please make sure the link works and you open it in a different tab. All right, like we discussed before. So this video is all about functionality, guys. It's nothing to add. So now if we go over to the wallet history, it has one title which I covered already. So far we're almost done with this video. And then if we go to bonus uploaded, the bonus uploaded works just great, except when we go here, we upload the bonus. Let's say if we upload more than one bonus, this is the bonus that we have available at this time. But if we add another picture, the picture is going to be here. What happens when we click on here to add the bonus, so it doesn't really show the thumbnails of the picture. We can't really see the picture here. We should be able to see the picture in little, so that we know which picture we're trying to select. You see what I'm saying? Which picture that we're trying to select, we should be able to see the picture here. It's just that simple, just like the banner section. The banner section works just great, except it's just the link that needs to be working. It's about functionality again. So now if we jumped over to here, if we pretty much jump over, if we jump over this one here, when submit the feedback form, it gives us a bug. Let me show you. I'm not going to give you an example, but I tried earlier. This is what it gave me. If I go to the customer's end perspective and then I go to extra, I look for the feedback here. I fill it out. So when I submit it, it gives me a PHP error. I have to go back to click back here on the arrow to go back to the previous page so that it can give me this confirmation that the feedback it's been submitted. Then when the customer submit the feedback, it should be able at least to see that. Thank you for your feedback. That's great. So this is great, but except it should not give it a PHP error. PHP error, this is what the customer will see from the end perspective, and they won't be sure whether the feedback has been submitted or not. So you guys simply need to fix that. And the last thing I'm going to talk about, it's a purchase assistance. I believe, based on what I tried earlier, when the customers submit the purchase assistance, I'm not going to give you an example to make it the video very short, guys. If the customer actually click on extra, go to purchase assistance, I believe it give me a bug when the customer submit that information. You can check it, guys, to make sure that we will be able to find that under purchase assistance on the other end. So each form should be related from the client. Purchase assistance should be found here, and when I submit the form, it should be here. It should be found here under the section, and it gave me a PHP error when I filled this out and submitted from the customer hand, as well as the deposit wallet. To go back again to the wallet, I hope you're not going to be confusing. When we submit for wasting in your MoneyGram, it gives me a PHP error. Please, guys, make sure you fix the bugs. This is all about fixing bugs. There's nothing eventually new, and we're not trying to add anything whatsoever. Please make sure that everything works. Every section is related to every section. This is pretty much it. And regarding the affiliate section, you see the affiliate section here. So you guys make sure this is going to generate an email. And again, I will record another video so that I can talk about the affiliate links. The affiliate links in both ends. The one on my end here, and I would pretty much record this video about affiliates so that you guys have a clear understanding how all those works. I'll make a video especially for that, and how the links work, so that we can finish with the job, because we've been trying for a very long time. Again, I thank you so much for your time. At least I keep my promise. I covered all that under 15 minutes. Again, it's about fixing. I think that we can fix that in a matter of few days. All right. I'm not sure how much work volume you guys have from other clients, but if we manage to finish that in a few days, I'm positive in a matter of next week, sometimes next week, we will be able to finish with the job. And of course, you guys are going to be getting paid and as quick as possible. And I thank you very much, and I'll talk to you in the next video.